The freedom of expression is what what you see.
Uhulumeni waseZimbabwe uyacacisa ngokwenzeka ezweni.
There is no crisis or implosion in Zimbabwe. Neither has there been an abduction or war on citizens. Like any other country in the world, Zimbabwe has been enforcing COVID-19 lockdown regulations intended to safeguard and protect the lives of all citizens.
Lo hulumeni unxusa amazwe omhlaba ikakhulukazi lawo ngomakhelwane ukuthi angabambi iqhaza kulokho akuchaze njengemizamo yokudunga eZimbabwe.
The whole thing is mischaracterized. Zimbabwean lives matter. We have proved that, and we support the Zimbabwean lives matter as a principle. There is no single person that was shot in Zimbabwe during this lockdown. But this Zimbabwean lives matter is a hashtag that started from South Africa with Musimaiman. How many people were actually shot in his own country in the implementation and enforcement of lockdown regulations?
Lapha ekhaya umnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uthi ukhathazekile ngokwenzeka eZimbabwe. Ungqongqoshe uNaledi Pandor uselula isandla ngosizo oludingwe leliyazwe.
She expressed South Africa's willingness and readiness to assist if such assistance is required and requested by Zimbabwe. We are chairing the African Union, and we are hopeful that as Zimbabwe is our neighbor as well, we are going to be able to use the bilateral relations we are having with Zimbabwe.
ANC ithi Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uxhumene nomengameli uEmmerson Mnangagwa kepha iseyimfihlo kwamanje imininingwane yalezo ingxoxo.
Why do you want to know confidential discussions of countries and presidents? Of course, there's no way President Ramaphosa could not have raised this matter in SADC as well as the African Union.
Ngingumapolane weindaba ze SABC.